Hey guys, this is Mark with WTI. Have you ever dropped milk or juice in your carpets and no matter what you do, those stubborn stains won't come out? Well, check out the Carpet Bomber made by PNS. This is a professional detailing product and it's citrus based. It dissolves grease, lifts dirt right before your very eyes. All you have to do is spray the soiled carpet or wherever you have tough stains and just scrub it away, and you'll see within minutes how it removes all that heavy duty grease and dirt and grime from your carpets. It's excellent for all interior carpets, vinyl, engines, wheel wells, painted surfaces too. What I really love about this product is that you could dilute it with water so it lasts you a lot longer and has that same powerful effect. You simply put it in any spray bottle and start cleaning away. With that said, when it comes to removing the toughest stains in my carpets, Carpet Bomber is one of my top choices, and that's just my point of view.